annual Ekiti Kete Canada picnic, a day filled with laughter, togetherness, and some serious feasting. Picture this, a sunny Saturday in July as Nigerians from all corners of Toronto and its surroundings gathered for a day of pure fun. The parking lot was bursting at the seams. The cars squeezed in every nook and cranny. You know it's a big event when you can barely find a spot for your trusty ride. It seems like every Nigerian in town showed up ready to celebrate another year of unity. Now, let's talk about the main attraction. You got it, the food. Oh boy, the hair was thick with mouthwatering aromas. There was pounded yam, fried rice, jollof rice, akara, puff, moi, grilled chicken, grilled corn, hot dogs, burger, vegetable soup, akpon, name it, and so much more. They had it. Most of the food was made right there on the spot. Some were brought in, but the flavors danced in perfect harmony. And oh, the kids, they were having the time of their life, dancing, playing, using their skipping rope. They even had a tug of war, showing off their moves around the chair for the music chair. It was a true testament to the vibrant spirit of Ekiti Kete Canada showed up in the kids too. The picnic brought together people of all ages, from the tiniest tots to the wisest elders. Speaking of the elders, let's not forget the youth who were mingling and socializing. They were the life of the party, weaving through the crowd with ease. And if you look closely, you will see a few of them showcasing their impressive dance. Some were showcasing their skills on the table tennis, performing the evergreen Ekiti Kete dance while wielding the iconic horsewhip known as Irukere.
Another thing is it's an opportunity to network business-wise. You see people in different kind of businesses coming together, how we can help each other growing the economy of Ekiti in Canada and even back home. Your name and what part of Ekiti you're from?
My name is Riskat Badmos.
Riskat Badmos?
Yes, from Badmos.
Okay.
From Ekiti Kete.
From which part of Ekiti?
From Ilawe Ekiti.
Ilawe
Ekiti Kete.
Mommy, what about you? Your name and where you from?
My name is Paula Shayo. I'm Paula Shayo. Kola Wale. I'm from Igero Ekiti. Then I got married to Efon Alaye. So I'm Efon Alaye Ekiti. Ekiti Kete. Oh, since 1990. Maybe 2000. Because community was started in 1999.
Wow.
And we started coming to Ekiti Kete except the time of COVID. Now all of them happy. Okay. Let's come together. We are all Ekiti. Let everybody come together and enjoy our country, our state, Ekiti. You can do it. Okay, just like sister. Okay? Whenever we come together, we are one.
Yes. Can
Can you just quickly introduce yourself? Oh, yeah, Kise Kitini. Yeah.
My name is Chukwaraboto from Ekiti. Chukwaraboto from
Ekiti. And you?
I'm Jeremiah. I'm not from Ekiti.
You're not from Ekiti.
I came to facilitate or rejoice with Ekiti people.
Thank you very much.
I'm Umorarani. My name is Yemi Adeleye. Yeah, okay, from Ekiti.
Hey!
I don't say this, but I don't say this, you know. I don't say it. But I'm from Ekiti State. I take Ekiti to the
You're so British, Ekiti.
Yeah.
And Ekiti British.
I'm so happy I'm live here, you know. I'm from, my name is Victor Aluko Astrop.
From what part of Ekiti?
I do Ekiti. Okay, Okay, happen, everyone.
No, Emma will go to ìyá ọmọ ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni ọba aláya ìkọ̀lé lòun máa jọ ṣe ó tàlà fún wọ́n máa kọlu ọ sínú ilé pàkínní kan sórí ìkùlé ọmọ akẹ́lẹ́jọ máa ṣe ṣu ọmọ gbàmí lójú ní àná.
If he's standing outside on the street, you're standing just minding your business, and the police came and they asked you for your name, you say, well, what are you asking me for my name for? Because I asked for it. So I'm not giving you my name. Can I arrest him? Yeah. Of course.
Now let's take a moment to appreciate the fashion. The members of Ekiti Kete Canada proudly wore their uniform t-shirts, making them stand out from the crowd. It was like a sea of orange, representing their unity and pride. Remember last year's picnic? It was the first after the long challenging period of COVID-19 pandemic. Well, this year, the joy of reuniting was palpable. People were reconnecting with friends and acquaintances they hadn't seen in ages. The picnic became a beautiful story of resilience, love, and reunion. And you know what's even more impressive? The Ekiti Kete Canada picnic is renowned among other Nigerian ethnic groups in Canada. It's the talk of town. The event that everybody wants to be part of. Who can blame them? With all the delicious food, incredible music, and unforgettable memories, it's no wonder this picnic is an highlight of the year. So there you have it, the Ekiti Kete Canada Annual Picnic 2023, an event that brings people together like no other. With its playful and comic tone, this celebration of togetherness will continue to thrive and create cherished memories for years to come.
Gentle boy, the youngest producer.
Music at ninjaloaded.com.